Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on Sneakers Unboxing with Moy, and today we're going to be unboxing the Yeezy Slide in the bone colorway, so let's get to it. Alright, so we have our box, and you know we can't do it without our Supreme knife, and so let's get to it. Upon opening the box, we get the slide on the top of the box. And so let's take it out. Okay, so like how I said, on the top we have the model, which is the Yeezy Slide. And so on the sides it's blank, and on the front we have our sizing. So, and on the back we have Yeezy Slide made by Adidas. And so the colors are bone, bone, and bone. So since they don't make these in half sizes, you always go up the next size. So if you were, I'd say a 9, get a 10, because I got a 10 because they run a little small. So so yeah, if you're like a 9.5, just go up to 10. You know, just go up instead of going down because they're gonna get too small. So let's see how they look. Okay, so the whole thing came out. Okay, let's be careful. Okay, so when you take the whole thing out, I guess mine didn't damage it. They come like this with the wrap. All right, so I've done a review for one of these, which is the Onyx slides that came out along with these ones. This is a restock, but this is how the bone one looks now. I'll leave the link to the Onyx video if you guys want to go check that one out. But it's the exact same thing, it's just a different color. So that's how it looks from the front. So if you look at it from the side, you can see it has these ridges right here on the bottom. And if you look at it directly, they just look like they're lines. But if I turn it a bit, you guys can see it a little better. But if you're looking for comfort, I definitely recommend these. These are really, really comfortable. So let me take out the other one so you guys can get a better look. So this is how they look together. So they're very, very, very simple. Not a lot of design to it, but they're really comfortable. So that's all that matters. But if you're looking for a more stylish one, then I don't know. It is your preference, but these are really nice in terms of comfort. Yeah, that's pretty much it. These are made of just rubber, I'm pretty sure. They're really flexible, if you can't tell. So yeah, they're pretty nice. And then it's on, I guess, the insole, but your heel, where your heel is, there is the Adidas logo. But let's get the close-up shots and the on feet, and then we can get to wrapping up the video. So let's get to it. right, so that wraps up the video on these Yeezy slides. Let me know if you guys would rock or if you guys would drop. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a good day or night, and I'll catch you in the next one.